Oftentimes, patients come to us looking for help for one particular problem. And when we go into diagnostics and we explore more, then we find that there's a whole underlying condition that is actually causing that problem. So that's what I like to call the tip of the iceberg.
Well, my name is Edwin Pabon. I have always had dental problems. I had a crown on my front tooth that basically every 4 years, miraculously, no matter where I was, that crown decided to unglue itself.
When Edwin came to us, that's exactly what happened. He's a typical tip of the iceberg case. He came looking for help for one tooth in the front. And what happened with him is that he didn't have teeth on the back and he had a strong bite. And when those two things happen, the patient's transfer function to the front, they're going to keep on biting. They're going to keep on chewing. They're not going to say no to that piece of steak. They're going to transfer that to the front, overloading those. And that was a need for a full mouth reconstruction.
And that was it. Like I said, that's what I came in here for. You know, all I was working was on one tooth. I wasn't thinking about doing my whole mouth, you know.
In his particular case, using his own teeth, using his own bone, we gave him teeth on the back with implants and reconstructed teeth that were severely worn. We restored his dentition to a state that I call as if nothing had happened.
One of my things was, am I gonna look like everybody square? And you could tell the difference the way I observed mine. Mine looked like I never had a job done.
What I enjoy the most of full mouth reconstructions is being able to achieve, when patients smile, no one can pinpoint and say, hey, this is a fake tooth. I want teeth to look natural, and we achieve that with him. His smile is absolutely natural.
I will say that they did the work on Friday. Saturday afternoon, I was eating a steak with no problem. That was very impressive, very impressive.